Are your grocery bills eating up your paycheck? The average American household spends over $600 a month on groceries, and that number keeps going up. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple hacks that can save you $500 every single month without sacrificing quality or taste. Hack 1. Shop with a list. Impulse buying is the #1 grocery budget killer in America. Before heading to Walmart, Target, or Kroger, make a list and stick to it. Shoppers who plan ahead save an average of $150 a month. Hack 2. Buy in bulk at Costco or Sam's Club. Americans often overpay by buying smaller packages. Buying staples like rice, pasta, and snacks in bulk from Costco or Sam's Club can slash costs by 30%. That's another $100 saved each month. Hack 3. Use cashback. Rebate apps. Download apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, or Fetch Rewards. These apps give you cash back for everyday grocery purchases. A family of 4 can earn $40 to $60 a month, basically free money. Hack 4. Switch to store brands. Most Americans pay 20-30% more just for the brand name. Switching to great value at Walmart, Kirkland at Costco, or Simple Truth at Kroger can save $75 to $100 every month, and trust me, the quality is almost identical. Hack 5. Meal prep. Reduce food waste every year. Americans throw away over $1,500 worth of food. Meal prepping on Sunday for the week cuts waste and saves serious money. Plus, you'll avoid those last-minute fast food runs. Hack 6. Shop weekly sales. Coupons. Check weekly flyers for Kroger, Publix, or Safeway. Combine in-store sales with digital coupons, and you can easily save another $50 to $100 a month. Hack 7. Skip the convenience items pre-cut. Fruit, shredded cheese, and single-serve snacks cost way more. Buying whole fruit, block cheese, or family-size packs will save you up to $50 a month without changing your diet. So let's do the math. $150 saved with a list, $100 with bulk. Buying $60 from cashback apps, $100 switching to store brands, $90 from meal prep. And avoiding waste, that's over $500 in grocery savings every single month. Which of these hacks will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to DollarHive for more smart money moves made for Americans.